Okay, so now we have to install our conversion tracking code, and we're gonna edit the code so that way there's actually gonna be value passed through, so we'll know exactly how much each campaign brought in as far as sales, right? So we're gonna type in conversions. We're gonna go right here. We're going to add in a new conversion. We're gonna click on website, and we're gonna click purchase, and we'll just type in conversions purchase 1. That's good. Now, a couple things is we are going to use different values for each conversion. We're going to leave it at 1 because we're going to edit it, and this is all good. Leave it how it is. The most important part is going to be a little bit later. So install the tag yourself. We are going to choose HTML. Now we're going to have two things to choose right here. We need to install both of these codes, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to install these right now. So this is the global site tag. We need this installed on every page, and specifically actually on 2 pages. And I'll show you right now what I mean. So we're going to actually go, okay, let's do it right here first. We're going to click on, if I'm in the home, I go over here under online store, I click on online store, go into themes, and I click right here into edit code, right? Don't click customize, click edit code. Cool. Now, what we're gonna do is actually, we need to go into theme liquid. It's right here on the bottom. It should be very similar for you too. Right under the header tag, we need to paste this code. And I like to put a little bit of space so I just can visually see it. This is a global site tag, very important, we need it. Now the next thing we're actually gonna put is our conversion tag, but we're gonna have to edit it a little bit. Let me show you. So now we scroll down, we wanna leave it on page load, and we're gonna have this. Now, I'm gonna show you how we're going to edit it right now actually. So this is the code pasted right here. I'm just making it bigger. Now we are going to have to edit these 3 lines right here, and I'm going to replace it with this. That's it. This code right here is the code we need. This is going to help make it so we don't have any duplicate conversions, and the value code is just going to give us the actual value of the conversion. It's very important. I don't know why they don't allow us to do that. And then the currency is USD. You can change this actually to CAD, AUD. You understand where I'm going with this. So great. And so this is the code now that we are going to install actually right over here. That we're going to install right over here. And so we have this code, and then we're going to have to install this code. So we just pasted it. That's what I meant. We have our global site tag right here. We're going to click save. Okay, so we're going to go back into settings, and we're going to go under checkout. Scroll all the way down, and there's a way to add in these additional scripts right here. And we just paste. That's it. We just paste it in here. This is our code, and it's absolutely perfect. Very good. I'm just double checking, making sure. Yes, yes. And we save. Awesome. So now we have it on the checkout, and then we have it everywhere else on all the other pages as well, which is super important. Now let's go ahead and go back to our account. We're going to click next. We're going to click done, and it's going to say it's unverified. Well, that's because, you know, we didn't get any conversions yet. So once we get a conversion, we could even do a test conversion. This thing will be verified, and we'll be all happy. So really good, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.